Okay, hi everyone. So today within SuccessFactors, what I want to talk about is timesheet approvals. So I'm logged in as a manager, Tina Olson, and Tina has a few direct reports that are submitting time that she is responsible for approving. And so if you look at it, when you're logged into SuccessFactors, the most obvious part here is just approvals, right? You can see that the Tina's employee May has submitted it. You can see the date, you can see high level, and you could even come here and approve it directly. So that's the first option. Second one is to click into this individual timesheet. I can click this, and the cool thing about this is it gives me all of the details: planned working times, recording, at a daily level. So we can see this Saturday here. You can even click more details there. And then it shows the outputs of this, right? And so for those 3 hours on the Saturday, there's also some overtime there. Tina wants to look at and enter a comment. She can say, hey, approve the OT, and just post this, right? And so it actually saves the comments there. You can see it over here in the activities. If I wanted to go in the timesheet, right? And so this is kind of where you can do the most from it, but at the same time, you might not need to do all of that. The next option from the same place in SuccessFactors is if you press view all, now you can see, okay, May actually has multiple weeks of timesheet, and you can either click this and approve it individually, including with the comments, or from right here, I can kind of go and do it. The last part, which is the most powerful, is there's a timesheet approval center. And so this is functionality SuccessFactors delivered based upon requests. So for me, I'm dealing with data from quite a while back, so excuse me for that. But what I can do is actually select a period of time, right? And so actually, let me do May 28th through, let's just do this whole view right here, right? And then press go. Uh, oh, sorry, April to June 8th. I think I need, let's say from June 8th to July 6th. I think that's where the period of time is. So this is more helpful if you have multiple employees that report to you. So right now I'm just dealing with May, but if I had 5 employees that are dealing with it, I can do this and actually see it. And so this gives me at the highest information. I can look at it in an individual week and I can see it. So in this case, if I want to, I can kind of click into this and approve all. Or I can uncheck this and do approve 3 of 3. And you can see now that the system will go ahead and just approve those. And so that timesheet approval center is a huge time saver if you have multiple employees and need to approve timesheets en masse. And the cool thing is you still have data for the employee. You're able to see planned and recording, and you can see the status here as well. So to be submitted means that May has not submitted it on her end. However, you're still able to kind of see that she has recorded the 40 hours. She just has not submitted it. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.